To keep the knot within the center of the tendon repair, start with a 1 cm oblique bite through the center of the cut tendon, exiting through the side. Now turn the needle around. Take a 1 cm bite longitudinally, exiting at the site of the cut. Continue this longitudinal bite in the other half of the cut tendon. Exit 1 cm down on the top surface of the cut tendon. Now turn the needle around. Take an oblique bite starting in the side of the tendon. Exit in the middle of the cut. When you start obliquely on one side, you finish obliquely on the other. The bite distance is always 1 cm for the core suture in flexor tendon repairs. When you start longitudinally on one side, you continue longitudinally on the other, again at a distance of 1 cm. The final bite is oblique through the side wall, exiting in the center to meet the end of the suture from the oblique bite that you started with. The Cruciate repair is a 4-stranded core repair. I use a monofilament suture for flexor tendon repairs. This was a 3/0 proline suture. This means I need to do between 4 and 6 knots to make it secure. Ensure your suture ends alternate and you tie in parallel to the cut, perpendicular to the tendon. And cut.